Dear student, today we'll discuss about the counting sort algorithm. In the previous lecture, we discussed about heap sort algorithm, complexity of heap sort algorithm, build max CP5, and maintaining heap. In this video lecture, we learn about counting sort algorithm and time complexity of counting sort algorithm. Before analysis of counting sort algorithm, we remember the following point. In counting sorts, no comparison between elements, but depends on assumption about the value being sorted. Each of n input element is an integer in the range 0 to k. When k equal to big O of n, the sort run in the theta n time. The algorithm input is store array of 1 to n, where array of j element of 0 1 dash 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 k, and output of this algorithm is store the array of v 1 to n in the form of sorted array. Also, we take one auxiliary storage array like c 1 dash 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 k. Now, counting sort algorithm. The pseudocode of counting sort algorithm like that. In counting sort a comma b comma k, a means array of input, b for output, k is the maximum element in an array. In the first step, we apply for loop I 0 to the largest element, and we initialize the auxiliary array c of I equal to 0. After initialization of c, we compute the for loop j1 to length of array, and under this for loop c of array of j tend to value c of array of j plus 1. Next, we start the for loop I 1 to largest element, and under this for loop c array update according ci equal to ci plus ci minus 1. For j, start length of array down to 1, and in this for loop we calculate two array b, c of array of j value equivalent of array of j, and c of array of j is updated c of array of j minus 1. According to time complexity, running time, this algorithm, so we calculate the time complexity, running time of each steps of this given pseudocode. In the step first, I start 0 to k, therefore total number of element k plus 1. The for loop executed for the true value k plus 1 and 1 for false, therefore total time complexity of this is instruction k plus 2. The value of ci depends the value of I, so I executed k plus 1 time for true value, therefore array of ci is executed k plus 1 times. Now step third of counting sort algorithm, for loop j started 1 to length of array a. Suppose length of array equal to n, then for loop executed for true value in n times and 1 for false. So the time complexity of step 3 equal to n plus 1. And value of C of array of j depend upon the value of C of array of j plus 1, and j depend on the for loop j1 to length of array. J is executed n times for true value. Therefore, the time complexity, yeah, running time step of this instruction is equal to n. For I equal to 1 to k, for loop started 1 to element of k. Therefore, time complexity of this line equal to k plus 1, and ci updated a dependent ci plus ci minus 1. Value of array c depend upon I executed for true value 1 to k, any k times. Therefore, time complexity of step 7 equal to k. And the ninth step of the pseudocode j equal to length of array down to 1, and length of array decremented by 1 in each step, and b of c of array of j equal to array of j. Value of b depend upon the for loop j executed n plus 1 time for false included, and excluding the false, the time complexity running steps j equal to n. Therefore, time complexity of b equal to n. Similarly, the step 11 also time complexity equal to n. We take the example and explain the pseudocode of the counting sort. Suppose any input array is given, the total length of array equal to 1 to 8, any maximum length of array 8, and total number of element given array 2, 5, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0. Now, the maximum element k equal to 5 of given input array A, the maximum element equal to 5. So, we initialize the according to pseudocode 2, 3 to 4. According to pseudocode step 2, initialize the array ci 0 and value of for loop I to k. I started 0 minimum to 5 maximum. So C of array start 0 to 5. And initially we initialize the C of auxiliary array 0, 0, 0, 0. After the line 3, 4, after the line 3, 4, j equal to 1 to length of array A, then value of C, array of C, auxiliary array updated according to this formula C of array of j plus 1. Then after the completion of this for loop, the C array contain 2, 0, 2, 3, 0, 1. Now, after execution of this, we execute the step 6 and 7. For loop I 1 to 5, then C of 1, C of 1 plus C of 0. After the line 6, 7, now auxiliary array C update 2, 2, 4, 7, 7, 8. Now, apply the step 9 to 11. J equal to length of array down to 1. Then B of C of array J store the value of array of J, and C of array of J, C of array J minus 1. Similarly, auxiliary array D are also updated for the value of J. So 9 to 1 steps. First 3 iteration. Store the value B of 7 equal to 3, and similarly update the C auxiliary. and j length of array equal to 8 say decremented by 7. When j equal to 7, then we are the sorted form in this way. Now it executed j equal to 8 times, 8 to 1. Then we find B array in the form of sorted output 0, 0, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5. Now analysis of the counting sort algorithm. We calculate total time complexity of counting sort algorithm by adding the time complexity of each instruction. After adding, we find the equation Tn equal to 5n plus 4k. We can write theta n plus k, and k equal to order of n, then total time complexity of the counting sort algorithm is equal to theta of n. Omega n log n does not apply because counting sort is not a comparison sort. Counting sort is a stable sort. Now counting sort also we understand with the help of this example. Suppose input is given 1 0 0 1 3 1 1 3 1 0 2 1 0 1 1 2 2 1 0. Then output input are record integer key between 0 to 3. Maximum value, minimum value 0 and maximum value equal to 3. Output is stable sorted keys. So algorithm count frequency of each key value to determine transition location, go through the record order, and them where they go. After the sorting, apply this algorithm, we find the output in this way 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 3 3. Counting sort is a stable sort because if two keys are the same, their order does not change. Suppose 1 comma 1, the order of first one is 1 and second one is this one. The fourth record in input with digit 1 must be the fourth record output with digit 1. Now, we also calculate the counting sort. Given input 1 0 0 1 3 1 1 3, then we find value 0 to 3, yani minimum value 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then we record with digit V. Total number of zeros equal to 5 in given input. Total number of 1 equal to 9 is given input, and total number of 2 is equal to 3 times in given input, and total number of 3 is 2 times in given input. And records time to count n. Now record with digit less than V, so 0, 5, 5 9 14, 14 3 70. Get different values. So 0 started from 0, 1 started from 5, and 2 started from 14, and 3 started from 17. Algorithm go through the record in order putting them where they go. 1 started from 5, therefore put the value in 5 position, and 0 started from 0 value, index value 0, then we put the value of 0 equal to this. And next 0 is place what. So we also update the value of this auxiliary C array. The first I minus 1 keys have been placed in the correct location in the output array. The auxiliary data structure V indicate the location at which to place the ith key for each possible key value from 0 to k minus 1. So we update in each step the value of auxiliary array. Now, 1 is placed in fifth position index value from this. After placing the value, this is incremented by 1. Next 0 placed from 0 and incremented by 1. Next 0 placed here and index value is increases by 2. Next value is placed from 6 and increases from 7. 3 is placed from 17 and increase from 18. Next value is placed from 7 and increases by 8. Next one placed in 9 position, increase the value of index 9. And next 3 is placed in place of 18, it increases by 19. 1 placed in 10 position, 0 placed in and increase the index value by 1. Similarly, we complete the all element and we find total output in form of sorted array. So total time of this algorithm depend upon n plus k. N is the total length of array and k is the largest element. So the total time complexity of counting sort algorithm depend on the value of k. If n less than k, then time complexity of order of n. Today we discuss about the counting sort algorithm, how perform the counting sort algorithm. Counting sort algorithm is store integer 0 to n. It is a stable sort and total time complexity of counting sort algorithm is equal to or theta of n plus k. We can write theta of k. In the next lecture, we will learn about comparison sort, bucket sort, and Radix sort algorithm. Thank you.